On today's video, I'm going to show you a super easy hairstyle that you can do if you're just starting to learn how to style your hair. In my last video, we did a style where we just curled the hair that we left out around our face. So we're going to work with that, okay? I'm not going to recurl it because I just curled it. I did loose curls. You can do tighter curls. I did mine with a flat iron, but you can do them with a wand. You can do them with a curling iron. You can do them with an auto curler, a flat iron, whatever you want. You can even crimp them, or you can even leave them straight. So we'll just assume that those hairs aren't curled yet. So you can do it with the center part, or you can flip your hair over and you can do it with a side part. I'm going to do a side part for this one because in my last one I did a center part. And I'm just going to take all my hair, I'm going to rake it back from the crown, just like that. And then I'm going to gather all my hair loosely, and I'm just going to create a very basic low bun at the back of my neck.
To make a ponytail, and on the last time that I tie my hair tie, I'm not going to pull the ponytail all the way through. Now this part's going to be easier if your hair is longer, but you're going to take your two little tail pieces and you're going to wrap them around and down to the bottom of the hair tie. Kind of give it a little pull there just to make them long enough. You don't have to do that if yours are long enough. And then I'm going to bobby pin them, and then I'm going to spread the hair out over my hair tie. Much easier to hide if you've used one that matches your hair, because if it sticks out a little bit, you probably won't notice. Super fast, super easy, super simple.
And now, if you didn't already have your hair curled at the front like me, I would just use this time to throw in a few curls at the hairs that are out in the front. If you have bangs or a fringe like I do, or if you want to leave some longer hairs out, that's also fine. Or you can leave it all slicked back. That's also a valid and beautiful look. I promise you, if you style your hair like this, no one's gonna be like, ew, that's so basic. It looks cute. Is it simple? Yes. Is it easy? Yes. But is it something that you can probably be successful at styling? Also, yes. You don't have to get fancy. You don't have to do things that are over your head. Start with simple styles and go from there. And this is a super cute and easy way to style your hair, especially if you're not great at curling your hair and you want something that feels a little pretty, a little done, but you don't necessarily want to curl your hair and leave it down. A, it's hot, those curls are going to fall out. And B, if you don't know how to curl your hair well and prep your hair well and finish your hair well, it's even more likely those curls are going to fall out. So just put your hair up, because it'll last way better in the heat of the summer than trying to leave your hair down. Let me know in the comments if you give it a try and how it works for you, or let me know if there's any other videos you guys would like me to make. Thank you so much for watching today. Hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos. Like, subscribe, all that good stuff. I love having you here. I will see you next time. Bye.